Hey guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch in this video tutorial. This is iPhone 13 Pro, and of course we would like to put this device into the DFU mode from the manual mode too. So how do you do that? It's very easy manually if you would like to put into the DFU mode. Simple guys, as we see right now, this is a up volume, this is a down volume, and this is a side key. And of course you can say if you want then power on off key. So just we will have to press this up, down, then yes, then of course we will have to go for cut it. Means power off, and of course we will have to keep holding till it's not going in DFU mode. So just we have to now just keep holding this DFU by holding this power key. That's all. Nothing much more you have to especially. So now see here. Yes, keep holding this on off key. Now it's in a DFU mode guys. How it's easy to put any device into the DFU mode. If you would like to exit, similar one, just you have to up, down, and of course keep holding this. Yes, we will have to keep holding. Now leave it, and thereupon once again we have to switch on so that it will now leave it. So now it's once again in a normal mode. So how it's easy to put any device, any iPhones into the DFU mode, and DFU mode to how to exit manually from DFU mode guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Further any inquiry, of course, please have the query below the comment box. The pleasure would be mine to your reply. And see guys, if it is informative and knowledgeable, then please don't forget like and subscribe and share this content, because this kind of the things especially, of course, if you like and subscribe, then it will inspire me to make more and more video such as informative and might be beneficial for someone who is highly curious to have this kind of tutorials guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys. Bye bye.